because I'm not getting anything back for that name, okay? I'm going to be honest with you, you don't look like you were born in 89.
I mean, I'm happy everybody said it, but...
On January 11, 2024, officers responded to a Verizon store in Deer Park, Illinois, for a suspected in-progress identity theft. The January 11 incident exposed a multi-location smartphone fraud operation spanning the Chicago metropolitan area.
Okay. Okay. Hi, how are you, ma'am?
Hello.
Hey, I'm Officer Frown with BP. I've got a body cam on. We got called out here for like a problem with your account or something like that. Is it your account that you're trying to open up a phone under, or are you trying to open it up on some?
No, I already have an account.
Okay.
But why am I getting called on?
So it's something to do with the phone being under somebody else's account that you're opening up, and it's like a 20-year-old account. Do you have your ID on you?
No. What are they talking about?
So whose name is the account under?
Mine.
It's under your name?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is my phone that the call got sent to. I'm not... They just asked to speak to him. She said, put him on speaker. He put him on speaker. I told him I'll come back tomorrow because they're finna close.
Okay.
That's my only problem. This is my phone. I didn't call in or anything.
Okay.
They said allow. I clicked allow. I've had the service for a long time.
Okay, same phone number and everything?
Yes.
Okay, how long have you had Verizon as your carrier?
Like 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Okay, do you have your ID on you?
Yes, it's in the, let me get it out the car.
Or you're good. You don't have to go out there. I'll just take your name, date of birth. Who's in the car?
My friend.
Your friend? Okay. So the account is all under your name and everything like
Yes,
that?
yes.
Okay. What's your last name? 10-4. What's his name?
John, I don't know. I just met him. He's a no friend.
Okay.
Look, I just came into town for New Year's. I've been here since New Year's. I'm going to go home. I'm just here to get I was getting my friend to get
Okay. Where's your ID out there?
in the car.
Where at?
Probably in that cup holder. In the cup holder.
She has to check the cup holder.
Oh my God, my stomach's upset.
Do you have a picture of your ID?
No, oh, let me look.
Do you have anything on your account that helps? Because I'm not getting anything back for that name, okay? I'm going to be honest with you, you don't look like you were born in 89.
I mean, I'm happy everybody said it, but... Oh, I don't understand. Okay.
Did you give them ID?
No, I gave him my phone number, and he sent the code to my phone. I literally didn't even make it far.
Okay.
I just made it to right now, and then I got on the phone with the credit line. She has a hold on my account. So
Okay.
she sent the code to my phone. She sent the code. I allowed it. Then that was it.
Okay. You keep looking for like something with your name on it? And then is that an old phone that you have there?
This is like my hairline, and this is like my regular phone.
Okay. Do you have like anything on either one of those?
Let's see.
And you're being truthful about your name?
Yes.
Okay. What's your social?
What's up with my social?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not getting a return on your name.
So I need my social.
Yeah, I'm not going to do anything with it, but I'm going to try to confirm your identity. How long have you lived this?
Like 2 years.
2 years? Okay. Does anybody live there with you?
I live with someone.
Who do you live with?
My sister's sister. So,
What's her name?
what's her last name?
Without looking at your phone. You don't know the person's last name you live with?
This is my sister's sister. So you want my sister's name? I can give you my
What's your
sister's
sister's name? What's your sister's name?
I just told you my sister's name.
You don't have anything in your purse with your ID on it?
No, my mama just going to send me something now.
Do you have like a credit card or a debit card?
No.
You don't have any credit card or debit card?
No, I left my, because this purse is so small, I have like a little wallet, well the wallet is kind of big, and it's crazy, I literally left my wallet at home. I'm like, damn, I don't got my wallet on me.
So how would you open the phone line?
Because I already had service, so they sent the code to my phone. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
This was my issue. Like literally, when he sent the code, it just said allow or deny. I allowed access to my account.
Okay.
So my account was fully into. He just told me how many lines I have. He just told me it's a lot of Androids on here. I said, yeah, my family loves Androids. I don't know why. He said he gonna. Yeah.
Okay. And you don't know this guy?
Yeah, he's my friend.
What's his name?
We just met.
Campers, what was that guy's first name in the truck? Alright. So, the only problem that I have is none of the story kind of makes sense as to what's going on, okay? Because he's providing a totally different name.
Right, I was just going to say, I heard somebody. I just met him.
Okay.
So
But then you're like having him bring you to the store and stuff?
Yeah, because I lost my car.
Okay.
Like, my car is down. So
Alright.
I got to get around. It's cold outside. Uber is out, so I asked him to keep driving me around.
Alright. You good?
I'll go out.
Okay. Just hang out with her for 1 sec. I'll be right back. You heard that she gave a fake name, obviously, because none of their shit added up. So he's got her real name. I'm gonna talk with staff and see if there's like any money or anything like that's associated with this one female that.
For like a theft, you thinking?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know what it will be, other than like a fraud type deal. But I need to figure out if there's like been any money.
So they were at Apple here in Woodfield, and then Deer Park, like hours apart today. 350.
What names are on their receipts?
It doesn't say. It's just like they bought. The price here is the same thing that they're trying to do here.
They're just trying to get phones.
Yeah, and then they sell them. Right. But I'm not so sure that this vehicle, like, doesn't have fake shit on it.
Did you check the VIN?
No, not yet. So he's saying that the vehicle comes back to his mom. But
all I really have right now is like attempted theft, I think, and obstructing ID or obstructing. What for him? I don't have any.
yeah, nothing.
She was in here saying she was. That's the person that actually has the account. But she's like, more than 89.
How does she know Donald?
She just said it was. She told me it was a fake name. She just made it up.
No. He's
a fake name. The same address that she knows.
So this guy said that people like that do these things can get the account holder's information online, and they come into the store to try to open a line.
Go ahead.
And their name and finance a phone, and then they'll have an $1,100 phone that's financed to. So basically, they just come in to get the phone, to sell the phone. Mm-hmm. Cool. What was your first name? What is it?
Camilla.
Camilla? Okay, you're under arrest. Go and pop up for me.
What am I under arrest for?
Attempted theft over.
And lying about your name.
And lying about your name.
You just put your phone down here for me.
Here, take your purse off. Alright.
You don't need your shit back.
Pop your hand behind your back. So my assumption is that there was more stuff done up north. Okay. Yeah, where the other receipts are out of. So if that's the case, I'm sure that they're going to have cases on you as well. If there's other accounts and stuff that you've. Okay.
Is this your phone too? Okay, I only got one that's the other.
Wow. It's like $300, $400.
And you can't explain to me what you're doing and why you're doing it, so I'm just going to assume like worst case scenario, right? The phone that you said is yours is this one. This 15 and this 10 that was in your back pocket you said is yours, which was purchased today at an Apple up in Chicago. Right. So you see like how none of this makes sense? It makes sense, but we're not getting the full story, right?
What's your first name again?
Camilla.
He wants your mom's number. Do you want him to have your house keys?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your relationship with him?
My friend. No, for real, you keep saying it. Yeah.
You guys live together?
No.
Alright, your friend you don't know the last name of?
No. No, sorry.
Man, you're a bad liar.
So whose phone is this? Is this your phone?
He just brought that in.
Hey, will you ask him if this is his phone?
You want to work or talk?
No.
Do you want to talk to the detective?
Talk to the detective.
Yeah.
Like,
About this?
a lawyer?
No, the detective.
Who's the detective? Y'all gotta help out.
You want to try to help yourself out at
So
all?
basically, what we're going to do is, where we're at, I think you have committed identity theft, fraud, possibly forgery, and then whatever happened here today. So if we talk to a detective, we can explain things. I went in this phone. She's saying this is her phone.
Possession of fraudulent ID as well then, huh?
Yep.
Where are you actually from?
Chicago, Illinois.
Chicago? You never lived down here?
I'll be back for though.
Alright.
So you talked with right?
Mm-hmm.
If you call the number on the back of this debit card, it goes to a shoe manufacturer.
So it's fake?
Yeah, so I wanted to swipe that because if it comes up with numbers, then it's a fake card too. Like, you can load those
Load
cards.
money.
Well, you can load debit card numbers on those. but I need a card reader.
You get one on certain CID. I think the other one is that task force.
All right.
Under Terry v. Ohio 1968, police may detain individuals based on reasonable articulable suspicion below the probable cause threshold. Probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances standard established in Illinois v. Gates 1983. 6 cumulative facts built probable cause, false name, no ID, database mismatch, companion discrepancy, same-day devices, fraudulent card, 720 ILCS 5-1630, knowingly using another person's identifying information to obtain goods, services, or credit constitutes identity. In Illinois, identity theft is a Class 3 felony when value obtained is between $300 and $2,000, carrying 2 to 5 years imprisonment. Separate transactions at multiple locations generate independent counts. Felony exposure compounds with each fraudulent purchase. 720 ILCS 5-1611. Theft by deception, obtaining property through false representation. A device at 1.100 triggers a Class 2 felony. 720 ILCS 5-314.5, knowingly providing a false name, address, or date of birth to a peace officer during a lawful investigation. This offense does not require a formal arrest to be triggered. A false name during any lawful investigative stop is sufficient. Providing false identity to police is a Class A misdemeanor up to 1 year in county jail and constitutes a standalone criminal charge. 720 ILCS 5-17-3. Possessing a document purporting to be a financial instrument, counterfeit, with intent to use constitutes forgery. A debit card whose customer service number routes to a shoe manufacturer is not a legitimate financial instrument. Forgery elements are met. Blank cards loaded with compromised account numbers are a financial fraud ring standard. Knowing possession alone triggers felony liability. Forgery under 720 ILCS 5-17-3 is a Class 3 felony. Combined with identity theft, the subject faced cascading felony exposure.
That is this phone.
Did you just get the serial numbers off of them?
Yep.
Okay. This is.
This phone.
Have you tried to make any calls on these to like people
Yeah, I'm waiting on Kathy to call me back.
on this phone?
Yeah.
Is that the owner of this phone?
Yeah.
Or this line?
This line, because no one on this is not her phone.
Yeah.
So was he not able to tell us anything about this?
No, he says once it goes to like an Apple store, it's just pretty much wide open for anybody.
All right. Yeah. Let's go to CID. I think that's the best bet. And then, since you have been working on the phone, I can transport her there. Do you want to call Violet, or do you want me to, or do you want to?
I just figured we're going to PD. I'll just talk to him there.
Okay. Watch your step. Then you go to the squad car right here.
Miranda v. Arizona 1966. Before custodial interrogation, police must advise the suspect of the right to remain silent and to counsel. Berkemer v. McCarty 1984. Miranda warnings are not required during a non-custodial Terry detention. Pre-arrest questioning was lawful. Formal arrest triggers the Miranda requirement. Post-arrest statements obtained without a recorded advisement face suppression at trial. Under Chimel v. California 1969, a search incident to lawful arrest extends to the arrestee's person and area within immediate control. Seizure of phones, purse, and the counterfeit debit card following the lawful arrest was constitutionally valid under the Fourth Amendment. Graham v. Connor 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. Only handcuffing was employed. Force was proportional to the circumstances. No Graham violation is identified in this encounter. 720 ILCS 582. Conspiracy requires an agreement to commit a felony plus one overt act. 2 actors, multiple locations, same day. The male associate's coordinated presence across multiple locations alongside the subject constitutes probable grounds for a conspiracy charge. Officer grade, A-. Probable cause was assembled methodically. Arrest was legally sound, tactically proportional, professionally executed. Deduction: no Miranda advisement documented on camera prior to custodial interview at CID. This creates a valid suppression argument. Detective grade, B+. Critical intelligence on fraud methodology materially advanced the investigation. Patrol coordination was effective. Subject grade, D. False identity given to police. Fraudulent card possessed. 2 same-day devices consistent with an active fraud ring. Physical compliance during arrest is a mitigating factor. Sustained deception throughout the encounter substantially limits that credit. Lesson 1. Miranda. Advisements must be recorded on camera at the moment of formal arrest. Deferring to the station creates suppression risk. Lesson 2. Coordination. Same-day multi-location fraud demands immediate interagency communication to contain the scheme before it moves. Lesson 3. Carrier protocol. SMS authentication alone is insufficient at point of sale. Physical ID verification must be independently required. Thank you for watching.